Welcome back to Online Permit Search. My name is Toby with Homestar Inspections. When reviewing permit history for a property located in Juno Beach, Florida, you first need to make sure that the municipality that is in charge of issuing the permits for Juno is indeed the city of Juno and not Palm Beach County. You do that by going to the property appraiser's website, which is located at pbcgov.org/PAPA. You type in the address. This example today is going to be 421 North Juno Lane in Juno Beach. And on the property detail page, you first want to verify the address, 421 North Juno Lane. The second line down is going to be your municipality. If this were unincorporated Palm Beach County, it would say unincorporated there. It says Juno Beach, so you know that the town of Juno is responsible for issuing the permits, which is also supported by the fact that the parcel control number begins with 28. So moving forward, any property located in Palm Beach County that has a parcel control number beginning with 28 should be the Juno Beach Township. And one last thing I like to do before going to the permit website is checking the year built. Some websites only go back to a certain date, and having the year built in the top of my mind is helpful. So 1959, this property was built. You can see there's some pitched roofs and some flat roofs systems on this property. So with that information, you go to our website, which is located at homestarinspectionsfl.com, where you can schedule now or permit search. Click on permit search. All of the counties are alphabetized. Click on Palm Beach County. And then all the cities that are incorporated also alphabetized. Scroll down to Juno, and it's going to remind you that the parcel control number begins with 28. Click there. Okay, so it's already logged me in. In order to do some permit research on this website, you just have to create a quick account. It's very simple, very easy. It's already logged me in. You want to select your county, which United States is a county, I guess. The state, so we want to select Florida. Jurisdiction, let's go down Juno Beach right there. If you look, there's actually also Indian River County, Indian River Shores, so some other towns that we can actually use this website for. The project type is permit. We want to look for permit history. And then it's going to say the project number, which we don't know yet, but we do know the street number. So let's go ahead and use that. 421 street name. Let's see what the instructions say down here. If the address you are looking for is 123 North Smith Street, put 123 in the street number box and Smith in the street name box, so you don't put the north. See the instructions right here? So ours is North Juno Lane. We're just going to put Juno in here and click search. Okay, we got some results. So the first one, you can see this whole entire card right here is all one permit. That's another one, another one, another one, another one. 1959, it goes back pretty far. And there's actually 13 items altogether. If you look at the bottom right over here, let's scroll back to the top and try to dissect this. I haven't been on this website yet, so I'm learning as you learn. Let's see. So this first permit, typically the first two digits or first four digits of a permit number is going to be the year. And add to my account, request inspection. You can see the jurisdiction is Juno Beach. The creation date is 2011, so that supports that 11 in the permit number right there. And this is not hyperlinked, by the way, so you can't click on that. But it is 2011. Status is closed. That's important, especially for purchase transactions. The business, applicant, physical address, lot number, square footage, work class. It looks like commercial remodel perhaps is what this permit was for. Let's go down to the next one. There's an expired permit. And let's see, this is for an additional structure. So this permit is expired, and if you're interested in putting an offer on a property that has an expired permit, you want to bring this to the attention of the seller or ask them if it's already been closed out. Sometimes there's clerical errors on these websites, so it doesn't necessarily mean that there is an expired permit, but it's something to pay attention to. That's the addition permit, and from 2011 as well. Let's keep going down. This is for a remodel in 2012, and that was closed out. This one is air conditioning system from 2017, supported by the fact that the permit number begins with 17. Status is closed. Another remodel from 2012, closed out. Residential new. You would have to ask the seller what this, it's expired as well from 2012. So this property already has 2 expired permits. Next one down is closed out, and that's a residential new. It might be an addition or a standalone property on the premises. Windows and door permit, so that's from 2009. Another expired permit from 2012, and this is for flatwork concrete decks and pavers. For a purchase transaction, a lot of title companies don't like to issue clear title on a property with expired permits because that could indicate there's a mechanics lien on the property. So these are definitely situations for that need addressing by the seller in order to move forward with a purchase or sale. And that's next one down is a residential repair, and that one's closed out. And then we go to page 2. We go to the top of page 2. This one's closed, and that's a residential remodel from 2011. Re-roof, flat roof right here, and this one is from 2020, and it's closed out. All right, so we got a flat roof permit from 2020. That's good. Flat roofs typically have a 10 to 15 year life expectancy on average, so that means that this flat roof has some life expectancy left on it. Next permit is from 2021. It says issued. That typically means there's an open permit. 40-gallon electric water heater replacement. So they probably just never closed it out. They probably pulled the permit and never had it inspected. That should be an easy permit to close out. And that's it. That's all that's available online. So you can see from the property appraiser's website, there's pitched and there's flat roof. The flat roof was re-roofed. The pitched roof from the online access of permits does not show any re-roof of the pitched area. So you want to verify that with the seller. If you need any help with this stuff, you give me a call. You go to our website, which is homestarinspectionsfl.com. At the top, you have a number you can reach us at, or email me directly at Toby at homestarinspectionsfl.com. Take care.